To make this mask you'll need the following: a ruler, a pair of scissors, a pen that can draw on cloth and an old t-shirt. A smaller size will work best, and a plastic bag to keep the finished mask in. Firstly, unfold your t-shirt and lay it out flat on a table. On the bottom half of the t-shirt, draw a straight line 20 centimeters from the bottom. Use this line to cut through the front and back of the t-shirt. Discard the rest of it, we won't be using the top half. There's a nice crop top for the summer if you like. With the rectangle we've cut out, draw 2 dots at the top and at the bottom on the right hand side, 2 centimeters in. Using these dots as markers, draw 2 horizontal lines 15 centimeters into the shirt. Then connect the 2 lines vertically. We've now created a square that will need to be cut out. Once cut out, discard the smaller square. We now have 2 loops at the end of the t-shirt. Slide your scissors in and cut them. These will be used to tie the mask onto your face. Fold out the mask and now it's ready to put on. Pull the mask around your face and tie up the 2 long strips of fabric behind your head. Tying 2 separate knots will help keep it secure on your face. Make sure the mask is covering your nose and mouth before stepping outside. You should wash the mask after each use. It can go in the laundry and you can use normal detergent. It's important to remember that in between uses you should store your mask in a plastic bag to protect it from germs. If the t-shirt you've used is a larger size or the mask is too big, here's a tip to help modify the mask. We recommend watching this bit before trying it, as where you want to cut your mask may vary depending on the size of the t-shirt used. Fold out the mask on a table. The more you cut off, the smaller the mask will be. We're going to cut down the middle of our mask and discard half of it. Then repeat step 2, drawing 2 dots at the top and the bottom on the right hand side, 2 centimeters in. Draw the 2 horizontal lines and connect them vertically, making a square. Cut out and discard the square. You can repeat that method to modify the mask to fit your face the best. It's really important to make sure that the mask has covered your nose and mouth without any large gaps forming.